Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what is steganography. We'll see with a simple example. Steganography means it includes concealment of the information within the computer files. In digital steganography, electronic communication may include steganography coding inside a transport layer such as a document file. For example, guys, let us take this as example. If we have an image, right, a plain image, a simple image, and we have a text file, usually what will happen, this text file can be given, so we can have a combined image where the output might look like the image only, but it will be a combination of image plus text files. Steghide is one of the tools which we can use. We can remove the text file from this particular image. Okay, then we can read it. Let us take one example. So we have something called Steghide. We can install it for Windows, Linux, and a source code we can download. Okay, let me click on Windows package. So it will come to this page. You can see the download will be started in a few seconds. So the zip file has been downloaded. So copy this inside the program files. So you can copy the extracted value inside the program files. Let me hit Control V. Let me click on continue. So as you can see, Steghide has been copied. Double click this. It will open a Steghide inside of it. And you can see the steghide.exe file is here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll show you the scenario. Let me click on desktop. Here I have a JPG file and also one text file which is a secret.txt file. Here what it is there, secret is written. That is the only thing written here. Now what I'll do, so now let me copy this path. I have to create environmental variable for this. That is also we have to take care. Click on environmental variables. Here you can add into the path. Here you can add, paste it here, click on OK. Now let us check whether Steghide is present in the system or not. Go to command prompt, just type Steghide. Okay. Now it should be able to recognize Steghide. Now it is able to recognize the Steghide. Okay. It is also given you the commands how to embed, how we can extract it. Let us go to this particular folder where we have the image and the secret file, right? Let me copy this. Let me add cd space this one. So yeah, it is now inside this particular folder. We can use this image to embed this particular file into the jpg file. So now let me click on enter now. So now it will ask for an interface. Just you can just click on enter. So embedding is already done. Okay. Now the download file already contains the secret file. So let me click on delete this one. Okay. So now we can actually extract from the secret.txt file from this jpg file. Okay. For this we have one more command, guys. See, I'll as soon as I enter this command, so you should be able to see the text file appearing there. Let me click on enter, paraphrase. Now you can see this file is already added. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.